Toyota is bringing us a new trim level to its GR86 lineup in 2024. The new model name will be called Trueno and brings a pleasant refresh/upgrade to the ever-popular GR86. The Trueno will feature a performance upgrade from the base model standard and will bring other cosmetic changes with it. The interior will have gray and red accents, while the outside will be two-tone. It will come with upgraded Brembo brakes and Sachs dampers to enhance the drive. Your only problem with this car will be obtaining one, as Toyota is only making 860 units of the car.